Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your backpack space and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. In grow a garden too, if we want to expand our inventory space or backpack space, we need to use Robux. But don't worry, in this tutorial, I will show you free method to get backpack space, to get more slots, I mean. Okay, first you need to have this pet guys, the turtle pet. This is a new pet in Glory Garden. And as you can see, the information here about turtle locks a heavy shell that adds plus 10 backpack space but slows your walk speed by 2. Your walk speed will be reduced, but you will have 10 more backpack space, and it's pretty helpful. And I'm going to show you my inventory. I'm gonna show you the space or the slots. I have 110 slots for the fruits. The normal one is 100, but if you have turtle, you will have 10 extra space for your backpack or for your inventory. So buying the turtle is a must. And I think to get back the normal speed, you can also combine with bunny, because bunny can increase the walk speed by plus 5. So you can combine it with turtle and also bunny. So you will get normal speed, walk speed. I think you can have more than one bunny, so you can be faster in walking in this game. Okay guys, and that's all about increasing backpack space in Grow Garden 2 of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!